So another problem on calculating from the power part, AC power part is problem number 3. That is a passive network is given and consisting of resistor, inductor and a capacitor alone. Calculate the following as seen by the source. So understand that as seen by the source. That means where is source? Source is located here. So this source should see. So this should be in this direction. So you are as seen by the source, you should find all these things. So you are supposed to first get ZTH. What is ZTH? The total impedances. It includes resistance, capacitance, and inductance. So when I want to get ZTH from these 2 points, because source C, so that is these 2 points you have to get. So you should start calculating from the right side. So the first thing of you is to calculate the total impedance ZTH. So now let's do that because you can see that 10 and 5 both are in ohm. So all are in ohm means you could take the same concept of resistance, how you will take a series and parallel. So this J5 ohm and 10 ohm are in series. So you should add these two. So 10 plus J5, that will come parallel with this capacitor. Then that all will come series with this J5 ohm. That much will come parallel with this capacitor. That all will come series with the 4 ohm. So this way you will calculate the ZTH. So now let us solve it by writing it. Okay. So first part you have to calculate. The first part you have to calculate what is ZTH. ZTH means we will look in this angle. So I'll start from here. So what is your ZTH? ZTH should include 10 and J5. 10 and J5 connected in series. So I will add these two. Now these two will come parallel with the minus J2. Right? These two will come parallel with the minus J2. Now, all these things, if it will come series with the J5. So, what happened? All these come now series with the J5. Right? So, now if you calculate all this, that will come parallel with the minus J5. Let me use another color for writing that. So, now all these things will come parallel with the minus J2, right? And that tool will come again. Finally, when it comes, that will come series with the 4 ohm. With that, it will finish. So now you can write it as plus 4. So all these things come series with the plus 4. So this is the thing. So now you can solve it from inside. This and this are parallel. So let me just solve only that much, and that I will add with the minus 8. I mean, that I will consider add with the J5. Okay. So this and this are parallel. So it is 10 plus J5 multiplied by minus J2 divided by 10 plus J5 minus J2, right? So now, what is the answer you are getting to this? This you should add with the J5, right? After getting that answer, what is remaining? This thing will come in parallel with what? Minus C2 and that will come with the plus 4. Okay. So now if you look, what is the answer for it? You can calculate by using calculator this answer, how much you are going to get. Just check with your calculator and see how much are you going to get. So let me write the answer for you. Getting it as minus, sorry, 0. This one, you will get it as 0.3 3669 minus J 2.11. Now this is all the answer. You just add with the J5. Okay. So now to this answer, what will come as parallel? To this answer, minus J2 will come parallel. Okay. Now all this answer you have to add with what? Plus 4. Okay. All this answer you just have to add plus 4. So you can get this answer. Now that will come in parallel with the minus J2. So if you do that, I will write the final answer to you. So when you do this step, you can just check it out how much it is getting. Same answer what we obtained in the class I am writing here. I just have that one with me. So the final answer will be equal to, after doing all these things, the final answer will be equal to 5.578 minus J 5.82. Or even you can write it as in polar form. You can write it as 8.06 angle minus 46.22 degree. So this is what is your ZTH. This much O. This is your ZTH. So now you obtain the ZTH. That is what is your first part of the question, right? Your first part of the question. Now, what is second part? Power factor. Already I explained you what is power factor. Power factor is nothing but cos theta V minus theta I. Phase angle difference between the voltage and the current. Now, what is ZTH actually? Z is like V angle theta V divided by I angle, because Z is V by I. So when you take an AC current or AC voltage, you should consider phase voltage, phase of voltage and current also. So it is nothing but V by I angle theta V minus theta I. So understand that the phase associated with the ZTH will be theta V minus theta I. So when you write ZTH answer in polar form, that's what we have written here. Finally, this polar form answer, whatever the angle associated with the polar form, that will correspond to theta V minus theta I. So power factor is very easily you can calculate it because you have directly theta V minus theta I. So how can you calculate power factor? Power factor is, second is power factor. So what is power factor? Power factor is PF, let me write. So power factor is equal to cos theta V minus theta I. And we have here, what is your ZTH? ZTH is 8.06 angle minus 46.22. Okay, so this understand that the angle associated with the Z, angle associated, again I'm repeating, angle associated with the Z will be theta V minus theta I. So here you can substitute it as cos, how much is the angle? Minus 46.22. So when you find cos minus 46.22, you will be getting the answer as 0.69. So that is what is your power factor. There is no unit for power factor. Okay. Now next one, average power. You're all familiar with the equation of average power. What is P average equation? P average should be equal to half Vm Im cos theta V minus theta I. This is nothing but the power factor, right? This one. Now, you have Vm because it is 60 angle 20 is given. So, surely your Vm will be 60. Corresponding theta V will be angle 20. So now you know Vm. So you don't know but Im, right? But you know the equation. What? I should be equal to V divided by Z. So you know V, you know Z. Z is ZTH. V is this source, only one voltage, source voltage. So surely when getting, you are going to get to the corresponding I. So once you get I, you can calculate the average power by using the same formula like previous. So now third part, you need to calculate the average power. So it is nothing but P average. So what is P average? P average is equal to half Vm Im cos theta V minus theta I. Cos theta V minus theta I. So now you have here V is nothing but 60 angle 20, right? 60 angle 20. So it is given. So what implies Vm? Vm is 60 volt. You have to get Im. So what is Im? As I told you, let me calculate right. I should be equal to V divided by Z. So it is nothing but V divided by your ZTH. So what is V? 60 angle 20. What is ZTH? ZTH is 8.06 angle minus 46.22. So it is 8.06 angle minus 46.22. You can use in rectangular form also, you can write, okay? Anything you can write while doing calculation, no issues. So what is V by this? You will be getting the answer as 7.44, then angle 66.22. 66.22. This is I. Okay, once you get I, now what should be Im? Im will be equal to 7.44 ampere, right? Because that is the peak value. So because it is again it is again like this will be like Im. This will be Im. This will be theta I, right? So you got it. So now you can put it over here with the P average equation. So what is P average? It is equal to half into 60 Vm, 7.44 Im, cos theta V minus theta is already, you got it, 0.69. So you will be getting the answer as 154.008. That much watt. So that is about your average power. So the now last part of your question, you need to calculate the apparent power. So what is apparent power? It is denoted by S. Apparent power is Vm Im divided by 2. Half Vm Im is the apparent power. So now let me just then more direct it is. So you can write the fourth part. The fourth part of this question is you have to calculate the apparent power. It is denoted by S, symbol S. So S equal to half Vm Im. So it is half into, how much is Vm? 60. How much is Im? 7.44, right? Im is 7.44. So what's the answer? Already you have here Vm and Im, okay? So your answer is 223.2. And understand here, the unit of apparent power is volt ampere. You will not write watt, it is volt ampere, okay? Otherwise, power average, instantaneous power, all you will write in watt. The unit of apparent power is volt ampere. Because power is V into I, you will write it as V for voltage and I am A for ampere. So volt ampere is the unit for apparent power. So that's about this problem. Hope it is clear to you.